Okay, we got the Dewalt grease gun here. We did a couple upgrades to it. Still have another one to go. We put a Lock N Lube coupler on it, which that's one of the best things you can do to any grease gun. And we also got their swivel, because the way this just doesn't seem like it's ever going to come undone very well from Dewalt. Plus you store it coiled up. Sorry about my hand. But those two things right there, that coupler and that swivel, are going to help. And I do have the pressure relief valve. I haven't installed yet, but that goes in front of the swivel. So we're going to do that. I'm not going to do it today. Here's the fuel separator on the John Deere 5085E. And I'm going to show you the process I use to drain that. Some of the issues I've had. This is a 2014, and I've had some issues over the years with the pigtail to the water sensor. It's on its third one. The sensor never went bad, but the pigtail did. And I'll show you how I purge that out. A couple other jobs. Last week we did not get the bucket hooks on in front of the loader arms. We've got a little plate we've got to go through there, and there's another plate up under the bucket here, so we've got a gap that we have to fill. So we never had I had bought longer bolts, but I didn't buy them long enough. I forgot about that space on the top edge of the bucket. Also, the hydraulic hoses to our grapple are close. They're just temporarily coming down the side. They are going to go inside the top of the loader arm. I need to add some more outback wrap to this section here. I added 5 more feet. I guess I shouldn't have cut it off. And I could put it inside the sheath, but I do not have a coupler to undo it, so I have two 25-foot hoses going to the back. Have them secured, but I'm going to use some thicker zip ties to secure those down. The thin ones could get in between the wraps of the outback wrap and potentially cause an issue. You wouldn't think so, but you never can tell. And another thing we're going to do today is we're going to take the rear blade off, and we're going to put the land plane grader on and redo the driveway going up the hill and then out the fence to the street, and a little bit just to the right in front of behind my truck there and next to the fence. We've got some equipment up there, and we put some new stone down there before winter, and so we're going to work on that today. All right.